Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Epson 2720 ink is probably one of the most essential components for maintaining the vibrant output of your Epson EcoTank printer, ensuring that your documents and photos come to life with stunning clarity and color accuracy, making it a crucial investment for anyone who relies on their printer for professional or personal use and wants to avoid the frustration of faded prints or costly replacements. Number 5. Epson 522 EcoTank Ultra High Capacity Black Ink Bottle. Experience vibrant colors that truly pop and incredibly sharp text. Our ink ensures you get high-quality, long-lasting prints every single time. Enjoy significant savings with our low-cost replacement ink bottles. They offer a more economical solution compared to traditional ink cartridges. Our specially designed EcoFit ink bottles feature a unique key for effortless and mess-free filling. Say goodbye to spills and complicated procedures. Get more out of every bottle with its ultra-high capacity. This means fewer replacements and more printing for your needs. Trust in genuine Epson ink for reliable performance and consistently brilliant results. It's the quality you expect from our brand. Designed to work seamlessly with specific Epson EcoTank models like the ET 2720, 2800, 2803, 2840, 4700, 4800, and 4810. What we like. This ink delivers vibrant colors and sharp text for high-quality prints. It offers significant savings compared to cartridges. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable way to refill your printer with genuine Epson ink, this is a great choice for everyday printing needs. What people say. This refill lasts a long time. I go with the name brand because it gives me more confidence that my printer won't gum up. This ink works exactly as it should. The ultra-high capacity bottle lasts a really long time, which makes it a great value. Easy to use, reliable, and produces consistent results. Clean and easy refill for my EcoTank, no issues with printing, good crisp printing. Number 4. Epson 522 EcoTank Ink Ultra High Capacity Bottle Color Combo Pack. Experience vibrant colors that truly pop and incredibly sharp text. Our ink ensures you get high-quality, long-lasting prints every single time. Enjoy significant savings with our low-cost replacement ink bottles. They offer a more economical solution compared to traditional ink cartridges. Our EcoFit ink bottles are designed for a simple and mess-free filling experience. The unique keying system ensures you can refill with ease. These ultra-high-capacity ink bottles mean you can print more without interruption. Spend less time worrying about refills and more time creating. Trust in genuine Epson ink for reliable performance and consistently brilliant results. It's the quality you expect from our brand. Designed to work seamlessly with your compatible Epson EcoTank printers, including models like the ET 2720 and ET 4800. What we like. Get brilliant colors and sharp text with this ultra-high capacity combo pack. It provides a cost-effective solution compared to cartridges. If you print a lot of color documents or photos and want to ensure consistent, high-quality results with genuine Epson ink, this pack is ideal. What people say. Prints come out sharp and consistent. This ink refill works exactly as expected for our EcoTank, and the refill process is straightforward with minimal mess. These bottles do not drip any liquid until they are fitted into the printer ink container. Number 3. Hiipoo 502T502 Refill Ink Bottles. Experience vibrant and reliable printing with our high-quality refill ink bottles. Designed for everyday use, they deliver brilliant results for both office and home. These ink bottles are compatible with a wide range of Epson printers, including models like the ET 2750, ET 3750, and ET 15000. Ensure a perfect fit for your printing needs. Get more out of every bottle. Our black ink yields up to 7,500 pages, and color ink up to 6,000 pages, ensuring long-lasting performance for all your documents. Rest assured with our ISO 9001 and MSDS certified ink. Each bottle undergoes strict testing to guarantee consistent and dependable printing quality. We're here to help. If you have any questions or need assistance, our customer service team is available to answer your messages within 24 hours. What we like. This compatible ink offers a high page yield, providing up to 7,500 pages for black and 6,000 for color. It's ISO 9001 certified for reliable performance. If you're seeking a cost-effective, high-volume printing solution for your home or office and want to save money without sacrificing print quality, this is a strong contender. What people say. These ink refill bottles are specifically designed for use with Epson ET2750 and ET2760 printers, ensuring a seamless fit and reliable performance. The ink quality is exceptional. Despite being third-party refill bottles, the ink produces vibrant and consistent results, whether I'm printing documents, photos, or graphics. The bottles are equipped with precision tips that make refilling the ink tanks a breeze. I no longer have to deal with messy refills or wasted ink, thanks to the precise and controlled dispensing provided by these bottles. Number 2. Hiipoo Sublimation Ink Refilled Bottles. Unleash your creativity with our vibrant sublimation ink. It's perfect for bringing your DIY projects to life on a variety of materials. This ink is designed for wide compatibility with many popular inkjet and workforce printers. Check our list to see if yours is a perfect match. Ideal for personalizing mugs, t-shirts, and more, it's perfect for creating thoughtful gifts or custom decor for any occasion. Experience intensely vibrant and long-lasting colors that won't fade. Our water-based ink ensures smooth, even application every time. Professionally certified with ISO 9001 and MSDS, our ink meets the highest quality standards for stable, durable, and vibrant results. This set includes black, cyan, magenta, and yellow ink bottles, providing everything you need to start printing your colorful creations right away. What we like. This sublimation ink is designed for vibrant, long-lasting colors on various materials like t-shirts and mugs. It's perfect for DIY projects and on-demand printing. If you're into customizing items for gifts or personal use and need vivid, durable prints for heat transfer, this ink is specifically suited for those creative applications. What people say. The colors look sharp and bright, and the black is deep and defined. Installation was simple, and the printer recognized it immediately. It also has a good yield, much more than I expected, which makes it very economical in the long run. Ink does not leak or smear. Best quality I have found for sublimation. Printer I have was converted to sublimation. Functional and cheaper than a regular sub printer. Colors are beautiful and accurate. Worked great in my Epson EcoTank and so far seems it will last for a while. Number 1. Printers Jack Compatible Epson T522 Ink Refill Kit. Introducing the Printers Jack Compatible Ink Refill Kit, designed for your Epson SuperTank printers. This kit offers a simple and effective way to keep your printer running smoothly. Specifically formulated for models like the ET2720 and ET4700, this is regular ink for everyday printing needs. It is not sublimation ink. Experience smooth colors and natural textures with every print. You get great savings without ever compromising on the quality of your output. Our ink undergoes a micron stage filtration process. This advanced technology helps reduce the risk of printhead clogging, ensuring consistent performance. Refilling is simple and saves you time and money by eliminating trips to the store. It performs just like the original, offering excellent value. This product is ISO 9001 certified, guaranteeing its quality and reliability. We are committed to ensuring you have a 100% happy shopping experience. What we like. This ink is formulated for smooth color and textures, with advanced filtration to reduce printhead clogging. It offers a cost-efficient way to refill your printer. If you prioritize printhead longevity and a smooth printing experience while saving money on ink, this option is a smart choice for regular printing. What people say. The quality of the printing on standard copy paper, cardstock and vellum. These are thousands times more cost-efficient. The ink's print quality. This product has a color quality and it allows a high printer performance. The product gave me great value. It's so easy to replace the ink, and I can't tell the difference between the Epson ink and this. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.